Hi, welcome to this Cloud APIM Serverless demo. First, we'll try to create a project and we'll choose our Git provider. Let's choose GitHub. And now we're going to fork an empty template project. Now we need to choose the Git branch for this environment. Okay, we're ready to go. First, we are going to create a root in our OpenAPI file. The root is on /todos and with the get method. And we will use a backend on JSON placeholder. It's a website that has some mock APIs, and we'll use the todos one. To make it work, we need a plugin to override the host header. So we add it to our root, and we're good to go with this root. Here we have the settings for dev portal, so it's enabled, and we have a plan for the default API key. And we are going to make a quick change to the index page of the dev portal. Now we can commit our changes to GitHub and deploy the project. Okay, so the project is deployed. The OpenAPI file has been filled with the right routes. So we can try to visit the dev portal. So it's here with the modification I did. We have the OpenAPI representation. So I log in and I can see my API keys. I can create one with the default plan. So we have the secret token for this API key, and we can test our endpoint with the API key we just created. So here we select the API key and run the request, and we've got the result from JSON placeholder. We can even watch the request coming on the API from the main console.